Why is yawning so contagious? Scientists say it's all about the brain's mirror neurons. When you see someone yawn, your brain unconsciously copies the action, like it's saying, "I feel what you feel." This ability helps humans build emotional bonds and synchronize as a group. The closer the relationship, the more likely yawns are to spread between you. It's basically an unspoken form of communication. Have you ever started yawning just by seeing a yawning picture? Let us know in the comments.